the best. Manual inflation switches on both sides. Blow to increase air and push pins in or to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that authorized removal of vices from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. When this happens, immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child, first put on your own mask and then the child's mask. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and the exit nearest you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with escape backlighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, lights will illuminate leading you to the exits. We shall be taking off shortly, so please train up your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your window shades up, and your gate is closed. Ilang sandali po lamang tayo ay lilipad na mangyari po lamang na itid na ang sandalo ng upuan. Ipipin ang mga lamas